is the NOAA Weather Radio, the 24/7 voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and an alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless weather threatens. This concludes our weekly test. Now return to regular programming.
This is NOAA Marine Weather Radio KEC 38, operating at a